Hello YouTube. Today we're going to see a airsoft pistol, Stinger p311, say right on the side of it. And here's the clip for it. It probably holds 13, 12 BBs. And here's the BBs. 0.12 grams. 6mm seamless airsoft babies, and let's disassemble it. Let's disassemble it. See what it looks like. Okay. Here is disassemble it. This piece right here, it connects both of them together. Here's the bottom of it. This is a fake hammer and a pin, and right, if you see that thing right there that's going down, that's a way how to make this right here, let go and make the air pressure go out and make the BB go out with it. And there's a hole right here you probably really can't see because I'm recording a potato right there, and that's where the BBs go. And when you put this right, the magazine, and it'll block the hole, and the BB will go up right there. And when then it'll, here, let me, right here, that's where the BB goes in, and when you cock, when you cock this back, it goes back, and the BB will go with it, and when it goes right out. And let me put it back together. Here, I'm putting my iPod down. Gotta put this together. Just wait a sec. Okay. There it is. Connected. Alright. Let's test fire. And if you hear that baby in the background, that's my niece in the background. Alright, hold on. I gotta put this ammo in. Just one bullet. Alright, it's in. Now, dang, niece. Alright, I'm gonna cock it. And this is how it's gonna shoot. As you can see from the flash. Oh, jeez. See, that's why you should wear glasses with these. And this is the Stinger p311 review. Thank you. Subscribe, like. Thank you. Thank you.